Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find MCOC promo codes or Marvel Contest of Champions promo codes in 2025. For that, you just have to simply open your web browser, and here in the search bar of it, you need to search for MCOC promo codes 2025. Now once you do this, you will be able to see this form and with the name of promo codes, and it is updated only 5 days ago. So you need to click on it and open in a new window. Afterwards, you just have to scroll down a bit in order to find any other websites if it is providing you the MCOC promo codes. You can even hop on to reddit.com where you can even find the working promo codes. So here you can just scroll down a bit and you can take a look at the responses. If anyone is providing you the coupon code like this one, so you can try this one, or you can just scroll down a bit and try to find the promo codes over here. You can even join the community on reddit.com where people used to share the MCOC promo codes one after one day or another, so you can also find them. As you can see that this person shared this list, but I think it is related to someone else. So you can just scroll down a bit and take a look at if anyone has shared the MCOC promo codes, and this is the only way for you to find the promo codes for MCOC in 2025. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.